Good afternoon. Today's lesson, the reported speech. To report what a person says, it means you repeat what a person says or said using one's own words without it changing the meaning. I mean, we repeat what a person says or said, but by introducing our own words. For example, I'm not rich, says Peter. Here, I repeat, this is not the reported speech. This is what we call the direct or the direct speech. It means we repeat the speech of a person exactly in the same way as he or she said it or says it. I am not rich, says Peter. Well, in terms of form, when writing this, we put this statement, I'm not rich, we write it between quotation marks or inverted commas. And outside the quotation marks, we write or we mention the reporting verb. Here, what is the reporting verb? The reporting verb is says. Says, this verb, says, or repeats, or announces, or declares, or claims. Yeah? I am not rich, says Peter, or tells me. Peter tells me. I am not rich, Peter tells me. So tells, repeats, says, declares, claims, announces. These, or this verb, is the reporting verb. The statement which is between quotation marks is not, well, this is not the reported speech. The reported speech is when we repeat what a person says or said using our own words. I mean, by introducing some personal words, not exactly as the person says or said that statement. For example, a reported statement, or indirect statement, or indirect statement, when I say, Peter says that he is not rich. Here I have introduced, instead of I have changed it into he. When Peter speaks, he says, I am not rich. But when we repeat what he says, using he, this is the reported statement or the reported speech, and we don't write this statement between quotation marks, because it is not the direct, it is not the direct statement or the direct speech. So this is the difference between, or the notion of direct and indirect speech. In our next video, we'll explain what happens when we move from a direct statement, from the direct speech to the indirect speech. What changes occur, what happens at the level of the tenses of verbs and at the level of time indication. Okay, thanks.